Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Best temperature to set your thermostat in summer. Once you have the right size air conditioner, there's still an ideal temperature range to consider. It's best to not set your thermostat lower than 70 to 72 degrees. Most units are not designed to cool a house below that point, and you risk the system freezing up.
Take our lead.
For most people, the normal comfort zone temperature sits around 72 to 73 degrees, but an air conditioner isn't a highly scientific machine. Setting the thermostat at 78 degrees typically keeps enough cool air in the room for comfort.
Let's help you make your mark.
Anytime you're awake and at home during the summer, the ideal thermostat temperature is 78 degrees. This home temperature for energy efficiency lowers your cooling bills by 12% compared to keeping it at 74 degrees. If you're afraid 78 degrees is too warm, remember to dress for the season.
Make your mark, take our lead.
They recommend that when it's 90 degrees outside, you should try setting your air conditioning thermostat at 80 degrees or higher. And when it's 95 to 100 degrees outside, and higher, you should set your thermostat at 85 degrees or higher.
Let's help you make your mark.
What's the best temperature to set your thermostat? Summer. Typically, our bodies are most comfortable when the air inside our home is 74 to 76 degrees. So, a safe setting is 75 degrees. But, be careful not to set your thermostat too high, as your unit will struggle to return to your comfort level.
Take our lead.
Do not run the AC unit below 70 degrees indoors for the same reasons. It can freeze the evaporator coil, he says. With some systems, that threshold might be 65 or 68 degrees. It depends on other factors, too, including airflow and indoor humidity. That's why never going below 70 degrees is a safe practice.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.